Guess you just showed up, wilderness. You fucking pussy. I'm not afraid. Showed up on the fucking river. Fucking wilderness. Guess you just washed up ashore. Felix Millan, survivor man. Yeah, Domino's. Hey, yeah, I just want a large pepperoni pizza. Yeah, it's going to my mom's cabin, 1247 Lakewood Drive. Okay, great. Yeah, great. Welcome back to Survivor Man with Felix Millan. I'm a little hungry. Been on shore all day, hunting for food. Didn't find much. So here I am right now, and I found some of nature's food. Moss. You know what this is called? Where I come from? Nature's lettuce. It's real good. Cut. Hey there, Felix Millan, Survivor Man. I'm out here in the wilderness, incognito, trying to find a fucking rabbit to eat for dinner tonight. I've already fashioned myself a spear. I got my buck knife. Ain't nothing getting around from me tonight. So, I've been going a long time rabbit hunting, and I haven't had much success. So I need to go from a different approach. I'm a human with a brain, and I can reason, and I'm gonna do that to get a rabbit. Couple things for a makeshift trap. What you need: box to catch the animal, to knock it out, or to also catch it. You can do a lot of things with this. Noisemakers, so I know that something's in my trap. I'm out in the wilderness, I'm gonna hear that for miles. The most important thing in any trap, bait, you dummy, you gotta have bait. Baby Swiss, that's my favorite, and I know rabbits love this shit, so I'm gonna fucking sacrifice a little bit so I can catch a rabbit. Just bought this, brand new cheese, fresh. Rabbits gonna love this shit. And it's Swiss, so rabbits, stupid animals. Rabbits love cheese. They don't tell you that. They don't tell you that in Encyclopedia Britannica. So just a little bit of cheese here for a rabbit to catch. Boom, just like that. And my noisemakers. Fuck! Cut it. My name is Felix Millan. I'm a survivor man. And now next part of the session, I'm gonna teach you how to dress a field wound. I just cut the fuck out of my hand. There's a lot of blood there. Remember when I told you about nature's magical lettuce, moss? It's good for more than just eats. It can also save your life in a medical emergency like right now. I just gotta find some. Moss always grows on the 49-degree latitude of trees. And see, like I'm right, it's right here. Just like this. Get some. It's very absorbent. And just put a little bit on your cut. Nah, I can't do it. Cut it. Fuck it. Get a band-aid, please. Medic! Medic! Hey, didn't see you coming. Nature man here, Felix Millan. And guess who didn't catch a rabbit? Me. That's okay though. Survivor man always comes prepared, and roasting a hot dog over a fire. Yeah, it may take a few extra minutes to cook, but I'm happy with it. Is this thing on? Obviously, I need something to put on my face to keep it warm, because it's cold as shit outside right now. Luckily I got my buck knife. And I got sweatpants. Who needs sweatpants when you need a hat more? First thing you want to do, cut the fabric. Much warmer now. And if you want, you just it's a little tight. It's a little tight on my head. It kind of hurts my mouth and face. Made a hat. Now I can breathe. See, it's just me, Felix. I'm not incognito anymore. Ow, fuck. Cut it. Cut it. This is fucking stupid. Just cut it now. Fucking thing. This whole fucking thing is a nightmare. What am I doing out here in the fucking woods? Being in a shelter in the wilderness is very crucial to survival. That's what I'm all about. You need a tent, which is in this bag. Half the work's already done. Just roll this out. Yeah, and just like that, you have a shelter. And you can sleep in here. It'll protect you from all the harsh weather conditions that nature and wilderness brings. Okay, cut it. Something's not right with this tent. There's no fucking poles. What? Cut it. Get me out of here. Yeah. There's no poles. No pole. Cut it. Get me out. Quit filming. Get me out of here. God damn it. Fuck this.
Hey. Hey.
Didn't see you there. Survivor man, Felix Millan here. Catching up on some Z's. One thing about being in the wilderness is it's very important to get some sleep. Cut. Why the fuck did you wake me up, man? I'm trying to fucking sleep. Get the fuck out of here. Man. Hey there. I'm Survivor man Felix Millan. And I'm trying to make a fire and I'm not having any luck finding wood. And I was walking through the woods and I found this unoccupied vehicle with firewood on the back of it. And I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Okay? So hey, look at me. I need you to be quiet. Oh, this is good stuff.
Hey, punk!
Hey, oh, hey, I'm sorry, man.
Stealing my firewood?
I'm Nature Man Felix Millan. It's time for me to leave these woods. 7, 8 in days. I'm starving. Hitchhiking. Hey, that's my car. That's my fucking car. Hey, asshole, that's my car. Right now, I'm about to kill this squirrel and eat it for breakfast. Hey, buddy. See what I'm doing? Keys. You wanna know what I need keys for? My fucking car. What dumbass comes out to the woods without a fucking car? Beats me.
out.